All right, Aiden. Like I said, man, my name's Brandon, and really appreciate your time taking a look at this. And I hope that this is valuable to you. So I don't want to take up much of your time. I'll just kind of dive in and show you what I wanted to talk to you about. So I went ahead and just typed in HVAC services in Commerce City, just because I noticed that was one of your service areas. And here's what we're seeing on Google. So we've got your top Google ads and the Google Maps. And when it comes to SEO work, generally you're going to be getting about 30% of your business from this part right here, the Google Maps, and then around 70% of your business from the organic search listings. So I'm going to show you what your website, obviously you know what that looks like. I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to compare it to Absolute Electrical Heating. And I'm not going to use Yelp or Angie's List just because that's a little bit of a different conversation. But here's your number one listed organically searched company. And I'm going to just show you what they're doing and kind of give you some tips on how we can improve your website and the traffic to your site. Okay, so here's your website. It's a great looking site. I like how concise it is, and it's easy to use and go through. It looks great. Whoever built it did a pretty nice job for you. The only question is this acting more of a digital business card, or is it actually driving in substantial business to you? So the first thing I'm going to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. And I'm going to kind of explain why they're so important and how you can kind of get that done. So let's look at your website here. Actually, I don't want to go there yet just because I haven't touched on this yet. So the number one thing that is really important when it comes to websites is the content and the number of words. So Google is looking for, their crawlers and their bots are crawling Google 24/7, and they're looking for at least 1,500 words on your homepage. So that would be a good place to start. So I copied and pasted all your words, and it looks like you're around 650 words on your homepage. So that's the first place we need to start, is get that homepage up to at least 1,500 words. But what's more important than the number of words is obviously the number of keywords that are placed within your website. So we want to place what we call buyer intent keywords all throughout your site. So these are, phrases or words that people are commonly typing in, like HVAC services, Commerce City, AC repair, Commerce City, for example. That has buyer intent behind it. So let's take a look at your site. You guys have 97 keywords currently, and along with backlinks, it's allowing or helping you guys gain about this much traffic per month. So this number is usually underreported, by the way. It is all relative, but you're probably getting a bit more than this, just so you know. But you've got 97 keywords on your site. So now I'm going to go to Absolute and check out their homepage. And here are the analytics with them. So they've got 2,500 keywords on their site. So, and it's allowing them to get this much traffic to the site. So as you can see, they have a lot more keywords and a lot more traffic. I think you had 35 people a month, and they're at 933 people a month. So here are all their keywords. So basically what we do is, I like to pretty much play the copycat method. I like to figure out what your top three competitors are doing, the top three people that are showing up on Google in your number one area that you'd like to serve, and other areas, obviously, because you have a larger service area. But figure out what keywords they're ranking for and which keywords have the highest volume and what they're ranking for. Use all the same keywords and then use more. So that's pretty much, without getting too technical, we just need to get better keywords and get more content on your website, and that'll get you some more volume. Now, the second thing I want to talk to you guys about are backlinks. So a backlink is any other website that links back to your website that drives traffic to your site. So that could be a blog, it could be a guest post, it could be any website that links to you that drives traffic to you. But quality backlinks are way more important than the quantity of backlinks. Okay, so what we want to do, so you have 93 backlinks currently coming from 38 different website domains, and Absolute has sorry, I didn't get back. Absolute has 3,400 backlinks coming from 831 different domains. So this is a lot of backlinks, and I'm almost positive that a lot of those are not high quality links. So don't get like too freaked out by that number. You definitely don't a lot of times even need that high amount. We just need quality backlinks. Okay, so oftentimes what we do is we figure out what backlinks they're using and if they're quality or not, and we use the same backlinks, and then we just add more high quality backlinks. You want to beat them in the number of quality backlinks. So along with the backlinks and the keywords that have buyer intent, getting more keywords and backlinks that are quality and with buyer intent will for sure help your website get found more often. Okay. So the last thing I wanted to talk to you about is how you get into this Google Map Pack. So we call this Google GMB optimization. And basically what that is the most important thing is it comes down to citations. So you want to get as many citations as you can. And oftentimes you want to look at now heating and air since they're number one. And you want to figure out how many citations they have and beat them with your number of citations. So a citation is anywhere you can put your business name, phone number, and address into a directory. That's what a citation is. So you need to beat them with your number of citations, and you need to add more photos into so you want to figure out how many photos they have. So they've got a ton, probably 80 to 100 photos. So you need to add more photos than your number one person, and you need to geotag them with keywords. So that's like one example of a trick or a tip that I like to give. And then you just add more citations than they have, and you will get up into this map pack. It's just a matter of time. Sometimes it can take, a couple weeks, couple months. It really just depends on the competition and the keywords and backlinks and how much those cost, pretty much. But anyways, man, that's what I wanted to show you. It sounds like you were thinking about switching companies or maybe doing this yourself. And we don't work behind closed doors. I will show you exactly what we do and how we do it. And I'm happy to talk with you about this if you have any feedback or questions or anything like that. But I appreciate your time, Aiden, and I look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks so much for watching this. Bye-bye.